Alright, the DHS problem is gone, and there is a couple of issues with the head block right now. The servo that controls the movement clockwise and counterclockwise, like you see now, apparently needs cleaning also. It's a little bit loose, so which is not good. There are 4 servos in the head block, one controlling the movement up and down, the other one controlling the movement to the left and to the right, and the third one controlling the movement you have seen before, spinning, and the fourth in the mouth, controlling the opening and closing out of the mouth. Okay, right now I'm running the ball recognition test, and apparently he's not able to follow the ball, not able to move the head completely because the servo is not holding the position it should be having. You see, he has to make all the movement, all the way to the end of the right or the left. Okay.